So it's really snowing in Vegas here. His remote start won't start either. Well, here we go. Snow again in Vegas. Ooh, be careful.
Oh yeah, here it's getting very slippery. Shit.
It's really snowing again.
Wow. Yeah.
It's freaking snowing hard.
I wonder if it's snowing where I live. Probably not. Where I used to live. I'm gonna have to start getting. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my car's already. See, it's already there. This is, my gosh, this is crazy. Yeah, that's a blessing, right?
Look at this. Look at this.
Like 5 minutes that we walked in, it already changed dramatically. Oh my God!
Oh, there it goes. It's coming down hard now.
Video. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Look, yeah, look how big they are.
Now it is really, really interesting. Oh my God. That's good.
Oh, but look how clear it is now at the mountain. You can actually see the mountain now.
Yeah.
And there's the sun.
It's accumulating actually. Even here on the. Oh my God.
This is crazy.
Let's do a video. Oh no. Oh, come on, Rodrigo. Hurry up. Yeah, it's the start.
Wow, look, you can see the whole mountain range now. 5 minutes ago, you couldn't.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so it's gone. But it was a nice, beautiful, wow.
But it's going to come back.
It's gonna come back. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
It's just a little.
You couldn't see any of this 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's just a little bit.
It's wet, though.